My name is Alex Jackson, and I'm a photographer, explorer, and creator. On this YouTube channel, you'll find my comings and goings, adventures, and experiences as I explore all that North America has to offer.
Well, hey, how's it going? So, I have been editing all day, and I'm tired of editing, so I'm gonna do some truck stuff. Yeah. Over Christmas, I received a package. This package is from Caribou, and he builds cool organizational panels and things for the interiors of first-gen Toyota pickups and 4Runners. And yeah, I got a few, and I'm super stoked because I don't like having a bunch of junk lying around my truck, and there's finally a solution for organizing the interior of Toyota pickups. So anyway, let's do this. Let's open it up. It's like one of those unpacking videos. Got the glove box organizer, and I also got footwell organizers, which are these little panels here that you can latch on like knives and little pockets and stuff, like mole pockets. Anyway, it's super like overlandy, but I'm stoked. I'm really happy that yeah, that I got these. So cool. So first one should be super easy install, no drilling required, any of that, and just good old Phillips. This is gonna be the most exciting install video ever. Watch me install this stuff. It's totally sick. Just found a rotten banana peel on my floor. Cool. Open up these little baggies. Yeah. Dump out all the contents on the floor. Yeah. Okay. This is gonna be fun. Yep. It's gonna be super duper fun to do. Why do my fingers have to be so cold to do this? It's like I can get it through here maybe. It turns out this is not as easy as I thought it's gonna be. Okay, I think I figured out what I actually gotta do. So I actually have this double cup holder from Caribou, and I think that I need to take it out and then take off this plate here, or the face plate, and then I should be able to get at the holes that I need to get. Like I said, the most exciting install video you have ever seen. So these products are actually like legitimately designed. I did a lot of work figuring out how to mount these, and really great product. Okay, I think I got her this time. There we go. Alright, now take Allen key. Alan, I got your key. It's over here. Oh, come on, you stupid friggin' drill.
One eternity later.
Alright, now, after a fair amount of cursing, and a little bit of time, I'm done. So now I can... Yeah, that's great. Hey, little storage kind of device where you can just have quick access to your EDCs or little pockets and pouches and things. Alright, so my battery died on my other camera, so for my next trick I'm going to install this on here. I think I'm just going to screw it for starters and then see if it pokes through the back, and if it does then I'll just drill it and go full send. Because I'm super classy,
just gonna hold it, and you are going to go right there. I'm very good at eyeballing things. So good, in fact, that I never ever use a tape measure. That's a lie. It's crooked. Ah. I'm an idiot. Freaking idiot. Okay, let's just back this out, drill another freaking hole in my glove box, because, you know, full send and all. Alright, there you go. Pretty simple. Okay, now I get to put it back on. So much fun. Just freaking go where I want you to and stay there. And you go where I want you to and stay there. Thanks. Good. Now, get this crap out of the way. There's there. It has an instruction sheet. Probably should have read that. Oh well. Done. Oh, hey there. Well, congratulations on making it this far in this very boring installation video. So it's been probably about a month or so since I shot that footage, and I've been using the Caribou Yoda organizer things quite a bit in my truck. I figured that it's probably worth me showing you guys what it actually looks like in the truck and how I use it, if you are interested in installing any of his hardware into your second gen pickup or third gen pickup. So there you go. So this is by no means going to be super in-depth, but you can see I've got my little flashlight and a harmonica. That's what I choose to store there. Sometimes I do have my pocket or one of my folders there that I like to use. And then this right here, same thing. I usually wrap cords around that. So far I haven't found a ton of use for this mole organizer there, but it's good to have just in case. I mean, you can put sunglasses in there and stuff. And then of course there's the cup holder, which I use every single day. My my iPhone fits right in there, and then I also have a little portable speaker that goes right in there, and then I can still put a cup in there. So it's a really handy addition to have in my truck. And if you have a pickup like me, you know just how few cup holders there are in here, like 0. Yeah, so that's my plug for today. If you have a second gen or third gen Toyota pickup and you want some organizational solutions for your pickup, check out Caribou Yoda. I'll link his website below, or wherever you link things in YouTube. Yeah, and if you like this video for whatever reason, hit that subscribe button, maybe give me a like, and definitely comment and let me know how I'm doing. Still don't have a catchphrase, so just gonna bye.